Welcome back to Deluxe Hand Car Wash. So what we've got today is, look, a really nice red Mercedes. This car has been really well looked after. There's not many scratches in the paint. It's going for sale, but the customer has noticed that the stripping around the outside of the windows and all around the car seems to have like an acid stain or a soaping mark on it. Now, we're unsure why this has happened, but you know, modern cars, they just don't have the durability that old vehicles used to. So what we'll see very quickly here today is a process that I have for protecting the car and restoring these black strips. If you have a car that needs something like this repaired or just doesn't look right, preparing for sale, give us a call, shoot us a message through our social media or drop into the site and we'll work out a service for you. Thanks for watching. Okay, so our car is all taped up. Now the reason we do this is we're using an older style buff, which is a rotating buff. You don't want that hitting especially the rubbers. They burn and they change colour. Plastics do the same in your own cars if you have polish on them. And as it's a rotational buff and we're using quite a strong cutting paste, I don't want any marks on this nice paintwork. So let's have a quick look. As you can see, it's a dramatic difference. This car has now been repaired. Although this is a little bit of extra work, it is worth taking the precautions to make sure that the rest of the vehicle is not damaged and just trying to fix that small strip against the window. Once the rest of the car is detailed, it'll look fantastic, but if that one little strip is left looking dull and stained, it can ruin the whole appearance of the car. If you've got anything you'd like done to your vehicle or questions about detailing, make sure you drop in or give us a call.